Zip and Pebble's Great Race. In a sunny meadow lived Zip, the fastest rabbit in all the land. He loved to boast about his speed, always challenging everyone to a race. One day he spotted Pebble, a calm and steady turtle, slowly munching on a juicy clover. "Hey, Pebble," Zip called out. "How about a race to the big oak tree?" Pebble slowly looked up. "A race, Zip? You know I'm not very fast." But Zip just laughed. "Exactly. It'll be a quick win for me." So, the race began. Zip shot off like a rocket, leaving a trail of dust. Pebble, with a determined glint in his eye, started his slow, steady journey. Zip was so far ahead, he couldn't even see Pebble anymore. "This is too easy," he thought. "I'll just take a little nap under this comfy bush." And he snuggled down, quickly falling asleep. Meanwhile, Pebble kept going. Step by step, slow and steady, he moved forward. He didn't stop for a snack or a chat, or even a quick peek at a pretty butterfly. The sun began to set, and Zip finally woke up with a yawn. "Oh dear," he exclaimed. "I must have slept for ages." He stretched and looked around. Zip started hopping again, faster than ever, trying to make up for lost time. He zoomed past trees and flowers, his ears flapping in the wind. But as he got closer to the big oak tree, he saw a familiar shape. Could it be? Yes, Pebble was just about to cross the finish line. With one last, slow, determined step, Pebble touched the oak tree. He had won. Zip learned that day that sometimes slow and steady truly wins the race.